I do a gravity tutorial on Scratch. Okay, that was probably pretty cringe. Well, that's what we're doing. So first you need to pick a sprite. I'm gonna do the dragonfly size 50. So first thing you're gonna want to do is make sure that this doesn't fall off the screen, like doesn't start off the screen. So you just want to put 0, 0. This is the beginning. Nothing's gonna happen yet. So now you want to rename a variable, or the my variable. So the first variable is my variable. So rename it to gravity. So what you do to rename is you just right click and click rename the variable. Make sure you don't accidentally click delete the gravity variable or delete the my variable. So the first step is to put a forever loop like this. So change y, so in motion, change y by gravity. So let's see what that does. Well, nothing's happening, and the reason for that is, so click the check mark, so gravity is shown like this. Gravity's not gonna do anything, but if you change it to a slider, you can make it so that it will move. But you don't want to do that because you don't want to be able to set how much gravity there is. That's not a great thing to do in a game where you want just gravity, where you go down and then you go up, like when you press space and stuff. So you're gonna need a change variable by x. You can also rename the variable from here and delete the variable from here, but yeah, so -1. Now it'll go down, but it's just gonna teleport down pretty much instantly because it's so fast and the gravity is so high. So set gravity to 0, and so if you want less gravity, which I do because dragonflies don't fall like a rock, I'm gonna put it to 0.5, and now it falls half the speed. Then there are two ways of doing this next bit. The when space key pressed, the jump or the fly. So you want to put a forever loop here and an if loop here. This one's very, very simple. You literally just have to put a set gravity to 12. And look, it's falling. So make sure to save the project, because you don't want all your beautiful progress to be deleted, or progress? Yeah, progress in this tutorial, I guess. You don't want all that to be deleted, so make sure to save your project if it comes up. And then you need to go to keys pressed. So I'm gonna keep this as space. So you don't want to have both of these. Change gravity by 1, because this is what happens if you have them both. It kind of shoots you up like a firework. So this is what this one looks like if you just choose the fly method. And then this is what it looks like if you just choose the jumping method. Now you can change these to smaller amounts, like this. It just stops going. So you always need the fly. If you want to fly, you always need to make the gravity change higher than the current gravity. Even if it won't change that much, it's still gonna fly. And it might take a while to get up though, so I usually do like double or something. And then this one can just be any number, and it just does hops depending on the number. And if you want to do multiple consecutive hops, you can just hold down the button and it'll launch you up. And then you can do like an insane number, like 100 or something. But then it takes ages for you to start falling again. But you can still do it. I mean, there's nothing stopping you. So yeah, just make sure you save your progress. But I like doing 12 for this and 1 for this. So that's pretty much it. Hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Now I'm gonna stop it at exactly 7 minutes.